What percent is shaded? Is it A, 70%, B, 80%, C, 60%, or D, 90%? Hi there! Welcome to Nova Mathics! In this video, we'll learn all about percentages, what they mean, how to use them, and why they matter. Let's get started! 1. What does 50% mean? Correct answer is 1 out of 2. 50% means half. That's like 1 out of 2. 2. Which one shows 100%? Correct answer is all the squares are filled. 100% means all of it. Everything is full. 3. What is the same as 25%? Correct answer is 1 out of 4. 25% is the same as 1/4. 4. If something is 0%, how much is done? Correct answer is none of it. 0% means nothing is done. Totally empty. 5. Which one shows 75%? Correct answer is 3 out of 4 parts. 75% is like 3 out of 4. Almost all. 6. Which of these means half of something? Correct answer is 50%. 50% means half. Easy. 7. What percent is the same as 1/5? Correct answer is 20%. 1/5 is the same as 20%. 8. What percentage of the circles are colored? Correct answer is 30%. 3 out of 10 circles are colored. That's 30%. 9. In this square, how much is shaded? Correct answer is 50%. Half the square is colored. That's 50%. 10. What percent is this? Correct answer is 50%. 5 out of 10 is half. That's 50%. 11. How much is shaded? Correct answer is 60%. 6 out of 10 is 60%. 12. What part is shaded? Correct answer is 50%. 2 out of 4 means half. That's 50%. 13. If 1 out of 5 parts is shaded, what percent is that? Correct answer is 20%. 1 out of 5 is 20%. 14. What percent is shaded? Correct answer is 80%. 8 out of 10 means 80%. Almost all. 15. What percent is not shaded? Correct answer is 20%. 2 out of 10 are empty. That's 20% not shaded. Which fraction is equal to 50%? Correct answer is 1/2. 50% is the same as 1/2. 17. Which decimal is equal to 25%? Correct answer is 0.25. 25% is 0.25. 18. Which of these is the same as 75%? Correct answer is 3/4. 75% is the same as 3/4. 19. What is the decimal form of 10%? Correct answer is 0.1. 10% is 0.1. 20. Which of these is equal to 20%? Correct answer is 1/5. 20% is the same as 1/5. 21. What is the percentage form of 0.4? Correct answer is 40%. 0.4 is 40%. 22. Which percentage is the same as 2/5? Correct answer is 40%. 2/5 is the same as 40%. 23. Which decimal is the same as 60%? Correct answer is 0.6. 60% is 0.6. 24. What is 50% of 20? Correct answer is 10. 50% means half. Half of 20 is 10. 25. What is 10% of 30? Correct answer is 3. 10% is 1/10. 1/10 of 30 is 3. 26. What is 25% of 40? Correct answer is 10. 25% means 1/4. 1/4 of 40 is 10. 27. What is 20% of 50? Correct answer is 10. 20% means 0.2 times 50. That gives 10. 28. What is 75% of 40? Correct answer is 30. 75% means 3/4. 3/4 of 40 is 30. 29. What is 100% of 12? Correct answer is 12. 100% means all of it, so it's 12. 30. What is 0% of 60? Correct answer is 0. 0% means nothing at all, so the answer is 0. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun math lessons. See you in the next one.